Welcome to Chair SOFTECH. I'm Vikramaditya here, and in this session, we're going to discuss about the creation of free trial account in SAP BTP. Now, SAP BTP is a business technology platform which happens to be a very important concept in the entire SAP field. So, just in case if you're aware of it, that's great. Otherwise, you look up to my sessions where I have explained in detail about what exactly is SAP BTP, and I'm going to make few more videos on SAP BTP as well. Just in case if you want to learn the course in SAP BTP, you can contact us in the email ID that is mentioned in the description. Now, moving on to the creating our free trial account, what exactly we are going to do is we are going to follow a couple of steps, and I'm going to do it from the scratch. Even if you are completely new to SAP, uh, and you're doing it for the first time, you can follow my steps and start building your own BTP trial. And then in the coming sessions, I'm going to discuss about what exactly we're going to do in the SAP BTP. But I suggest you, if you are serious about learning SAP BTP, you can contact us and you can get the training on it. Yeah. So now moving on to the steps that we have here, let me just show you the steps. So the first and foremost is you need to have the universal ID. Just in case if you have no universal ID, then you need to register for the SAP universal ID. So I do have couple of IDs with which I already have the account, but what I'm going to do is, for the benefit of you, I'll take it up and create account with a new email ID. I guess there are many mail IDs for which I already have the access, but I'll try to get into something which is completely new. I'll go ahead with Vikram m.iit@gmail.com. So I have this mail ID. Just say next, and um, so here you need to click on register here. So when we click on register, so I'll give my name here, India. This is very important, and we need to give a password here. So you need to enter the same password again. If that matches, then we are done with it. Oh, it says email ID already exists. So let me do it with some other mail ID for which I don't have the universal ID. Let me just once check with. Oh, even this email ID exists. Okay, so this is the email ID I'm using, and we need to submit it. And once we have a submission, then you got to have the email ID. So you will get a code here that I need to write it down here. So let me just check the code that I have received, and I'll be keeping it here. Okay, I'm just placing that code here, whatever I've got it in mail. Then I need to verify this verification code here. uh, Perfect. submit. Yeah. So now I've successfully created my universal ID with aditya.jsofttech@gmail.com, and we'll continue to the logon. So this is the first step that you need to do, and this universal ID will be useful for a lot of various things on SAP platform. Now we can go ahead and yeah, this is the one ID that I got created, and now we'll move on to the next step. So the next step would be to access SAP BTP Free Trial on this link. So let me copy this link here. Yeah, I'll place these links in the description of this session. You can just check it out. Now here I need to keep the email ID that I have just now used. Done. So I'll go for continue. So you got to give this phone number, India. I think all my numbers are already taken away. Let me just use my email ID, and once we click on this, I have read and understood, and give your email, give your phone number here. Okay, now here we have I've given my mobile number and as well as the code that I've got it, and let me click on continue. The moment I click on continue, and it goes to the next screen, it accepted my request, and now I have got two choices. Now when I have, let me click on the allow, I've got some pop-up. Now here I've got two choices. One is the US server, that is on AWS, Amazon Web Services. There's another server in Singapore which is based on Azure. So if you observe here, this is a cloud server that we have, and we're going to make use of that and go ahead and create our account. So I'm selecting the US East and just click on create now, create account, and it's getting processed. So it will take some time to process all these things. Like basically it creates a global account for you, and then it creates a sub account, then organization, and then it also creates a specific space for you. And the name of the space most probably would be something like a trial or something as DEV. So we are setting up this account. We're setting up this account, and we are going to go ahead with this. So yeah, now the global account is created, and you can see that this is something which I've got a unique number, which is actually a combination of letters and words. This is what we have. So we're going to make use of this now, and yeah, sub account. It will take some time. The sub account name is trial, which got created now. So once this gets created, we'll be good to go with the BTP Business Technology Platform. So there were a lot of other platforms also which are now unified into the BTP, and you can probably go ahead and make use of this BTP for a lot of things which we can create online. So basically, we'll be making use of a cloud server, and as you have seen in the previous screen that we have selected the US server, it got created now, and I have this BTP Free Trial. So we'll continue this. So this got created now, and we're going to go ahead with the go to your account. So I've clicked on go to your trial account, and in the trial account you will probably see this kind of a screen wherein like we have to just say OK here. So we get a pop-up here, and you should say close. Just a second. Okay, so here we are in the trial version, and when we click on this trial sub account, you can see various options here. Now we have got entitlements, 77 entitlements, and 2 instances and subscriptions. Let's go ahead and explore that 2 instances. We have got the business applications, SAP business application. It's been created and generated. Then we have got the instances. We don't have any instances, and then we have the one Cloud Foundry runtime is automatically created here by default. Then we go to the service marketplace here. So in the service marketplace, we'll have a lot of options here to install a few things here. We've got the SAP build applications, SAP Business Application Studio. So if you want to create a business application studio, you can do that, and I'm going to go ahead and create it in the next session that we are going to discuss. So this happens to be a very short session, the basic initial session, wherein like we are discussing only about the basics, like how do we actually create the BTP trial. Now once you create a BTP trial, we have a lot of things that we can do here. Let's do that once we rejoin in the next session. Thank you. And if you are looking for any kind of a training, so you can contact our team in the contact details given in the description. Thank you. Have a great day. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like our videos, and share it with your friends. And do comment us and let us know your thoughts on the videos. Thank you.